This piece of land was our family's piece of land, but my father-in-law divided that into 4. He gave it to his eldest son, his third eldest son's son, which is my son. He gave his late son's son, which is Kevin, and he gave another 25% to my sister-in-law. And then my brother-in-law and my nephew, they divided the land and they sold this land to this developer.
Kenya ni nchi mzuri, lakini sisi hakuna nafasi ya shughuli kabila hizi kama thuggery. Hiyo fasi hakuna hapa kwa Kenya zetu leo.
I don't like seeing the tears of an old woman like this. So I'm condemning the exercise. We want everything to be suspended. We want to meet all these parties. We see if we can solve this matter amicably. But it is very wrong to demolish. You can see the house. It's a very expensive house belonging to this old woman.